Welcome back to Review Mobile, your trusted source for the latest smartphone news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the newly announced Nokia Royal Ultra 2025, a flagship that's turning heads with its premium design, powerful specs, and bold return to Nokia's classic durability. Let's break down everything you need to know. Design and display. The Nokia Royal Ultra 2025 showcases a sleek, all-metal body with a brushed titanium finish, giving it a luxurious and rugged feel. The front is dominated by a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, boasting a 3200x1440 resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection. It's a stunning screen that delivers rich colors and deep contrast, perfect for media and gaming. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Royal Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It runs on a clean version of Android 14, with Nokia's promise of 4 years of updates. This phone is built for multitasking, gaming, and productivity without breaking a sweat. Camera system. Nokia steps up its photography game with a quad camera setup featuring a 200 megapixels main sensor, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, 48 megapixels telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a dedicated AI depth sensor. On the front, a 60 megapixels under-display selfie camera ensures clean aesthetics and top-tier selfies. The camera system is enhanced by Nokia's new PureView AI, offering advanced night mode and real-time HDR processing. Battery and connectivity. With a massive 6000 mAh battery, the Royal Ultra offers 2-day battery life on moderate use. It supports 120W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. You also get 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and satellite messaging support for emergencies, making this device as future-ready as it gets. Final thoughts. The Nokia Royal Ultra 2025 marks a strong return to form for the brand, combining premium build, flagship specs, and long-term software support. It's a serious contender for anyone looking to upgrade this year. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider switching to Nokia in 2025? Outro. Thanks for watching Review Mobile. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next video.